In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Redbubble. By the end, you'll know how to get to the platform, add your designs to products, brand your shop so it looks professional, and verify your details so you can start getting paid. First, head over to redbubble.com. If you're new, create an account and confirm it via the message Redbubble sends. If you already have one, sign in and take a moment to explore your dashboard. Getting familiar with where to upload work, view your shop, and adjust settings will make the next steps smoother. Make sure your account name reflects your brand because it will appear on your shop and product pages. Next, create your products by adding your designs. Prepare high-quality files before you upload. Use a large canvas so your artwork prints cleanly, and export in a format Redbubble supports like PNG for transparent backgrounds or high-resolution JPG for full-bleed images. Upload your artwork and choose which products you want to enable, such as stickers, prints, apparel, and accessories. Adjust the placement, scale, and background color so each item looks intentional. Give your work a clear, searchable title, add a descriptive paragraph that explains the theme or use case, and include relevant tags so shoppers can find you. While you're here, preview each product and tweak markups if you want to customize your profit. When everything looks right, save and publish so your products appear in your shop. Now set up your shop to make a great first impression. Add a crisp profile picture, ideally a logo or a clean headshot that represents your brand. Upload a cover image that matches your style and showcases the kind of designs you create. Write a short, friendly bio that tells visitors what you make and what inspires you. Add your social links so customers can follow your work elsewhere. Keep your visual identity consistent across images, colors, and tone. This builds trust and helps your shop stand out. Finally, verify your details so you can get paid. Open your account settings and complete any required identity, tax, and payout information. Choose your preferred payout method and double-check your address and currency settings. Make sure all information is accurate and matches your documents, as this helps avoid delays. Once verification is done, your products are ready to earn. Before you wrap up, revisit your listings to confirm titles, tags, and previews look good on both desktop and mobile. Share your shop link on your social channels and keep uploading fresh designs to build momentum. That's it. Your Redbubble shop is ready to go.